Hey guys, I've just finished cleaning my dishes, and as you can see, I tend to leave them like this, and that's why I'm checking out today this really nice dish drying rack that I received for viewing purposes. It's a really nice set that it's perfect to place it in your kitchen, and it has some really nice features that I think they're gonna be perfect for you. As you can see, it comes like this. Let me take it out of the bag. It has a stainless steel surface that we can use it like a water catching system that we can place underneath it, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, this is the platform as I was saying, and turn it like this. We can see that it's extendable. Okay, I'm gonna cut it off. Okay, as you can see, it comes with different attachments that we're gonna use in a bit, and as I've said, it's extendable. You can place it however you need it, like case that you need to open it up a little bit more. You can, depending on what you need, it's the distance that you're gonna expand it, okay? And it comes with these little fits that I'm gonna place in a second, okay? These are so that you don't scratch your surface or anything like that. You can get a nice option for your countertop, okay? I'm gonna place them. I think that you can keep organized and spotless your kitchen with this dish drying rack that is designed with a outstanding capacity, and it's quite durable and convenient. The rack provides ample space for plates, bowls, cups, any kind of utensils, and even large cookware like soup pots and cutting boards. With the raised storage compartment specifically tailored for the dishes and bowls, it helps you neatly air dry and organize all your kitchenware, creating a more orderly kitchen environment. The water drainage is effortless thanks to the slope drainage board, which directs the excess water straight into your sink, keeping your countertop dry. Built from high-quality stainless steel and sturdy steel bars, this rack resists rust, stays shiny, and offers long-lasting durability. Carefully polished surfaces ensures a smooth, bar-free finish, while the raised guardrails keep your dishes safely in place. And for even added stability, the base includes non-slip silicone feet that you can easily install them to keep the rack steady, even on smooth counters. Best of all, the expandable design adapts to your kitchen space. At a fixed length of 22.8 inches, its width adjusts from 7.8 to 14.5 inches, giving you the flexibility to fit different countertops and layouts. Whether you need space or maximize capacity, it adjusts to your needs. Okay, so we get this one for our utensils, or knife, or spoons, anything that we're gonna need. This one is for knives. This way we can place them in here, and we won't have any possibility of cutting ourselves with them, which I think that it's a nice option. And this is a holder for glasses, okay, which I think that it's really great. Okay, and well, I'm gonna be placing all my dishes in here. Okay, I'll be placing test cups in here. My cutlery right here. Someone's dream of Messiah. And as you can see, despite placing a little bit of dishes, I still have plenty of space. In here I can still be able to place many different cups, and as I've said, in case that we need to use the holder, we can just slide our knives like that, and it will hold them, which I think that it's really great. And overall, I think that it's a really nice one because you can expand it in case that you need it. You can place it like this, that I place it a little bit over my sink. That way, a little bit of the water will still be falling into it, and the holder I place it upon this side that it ain't on the sink, which I think that it's really versatile. As I've said, you can make it a little bit more compact if you need it, and you can change the way that you are facing or placing these holders, the knife holder, the cutlery holder, or these one that are for glasses, like this. Overall, I think that it's really nice. It has a really nice construction, and the frame, it's polished, so it looks really beautiful. And overall, I think that it's really great, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.